How do I reduce or eliminate gas fees in my dApp? So that is one of the most painful things for a Web3 user, is when he's using these dApps, you need to pay fees again and again for like a lot of these actions. For example, you want to like somebody's post, you need to pay fees to like that. So it is quite painful, and the best solution I have for this is ICP. What ICP do is that they have gas already within their like smart contract. It is already prepaid, so the person who's creating the application, the deployer of the application, is already fulfilling it with these gas, which is basically used on ICP as cycles. So what happens is that the users who are using the dApps do not need to pay anything, and it's quite cheap as well. So for the developers who are creating it, for the users who are building these applications, it doesn't cost so much, so they are happy that hey, we can fill it with $5 worth of like ICP and it can last for 10 users easily. So for 50 like dollars, they can easily fulfill satisfy needs of over 100 like users. So it is quite cheap, it is quite useful in that sense. This is kind of the cost that web2 hosts need to pay as well. It is basically called reverse gas model, and its like cost is comparable with the web2 servers out there. So yeah, that is very useful. So in order to avoid these fees, you first need to build your application on which platform these like fees do not occur. One of them is ICP. There are other out there as well, but they are expensive. ICP is the most cheapest out there.